Okay, so to access things online as far as books and audiobooks and ebooks, you first would go to the FSUSD website, look for family resources, library, and then you want to land here. This first box here is just to get to our actual catalog, call it Destiny. But the one to get to more items, you would go to Sora. So click on Sora. Now, I'm already logged in, but if it's your first time, you want to make sure you log in with your Google account district. And then you definitely want to make sure, see on the side how I have Fairfield Unified School District, and then I have NorthNet Library System. That's the actual online version of Solano County Library, their collection. So if you don't have this under Fairfield, then click on Add a Public Library, and then you would look for Solano County Library or NorthNet Library. Once you've done that, then you want to make sure you set your preferences. Preferences is right here. And if you want to find anything and everything, if you want only certain formats, in this instance, you want audiobooks, so you can just choose audiobooks. Do it again. You can change the language, audience, just meaning what level of reading, and then just hit apply. Go in your search box and then put in what the title you're looking for. And then just scroll down a little bit. It does say here Fairfield FSUSD, no matches, but that's okay because under NorthNet, again being Solano County Library, there is a version of it. Now, unfortunately, it's already being used, but we can still go to the item and we can check, read more about it. You can go ahead and place your hold. You can listen to a sample. So I want to go ahead and place a hold. So I'm going to do that. And now it is asking me again to sign in. So you would go ahead and go through the steps to sign in. Or I can add to the list. So that would be the way that I would access this. Unfortunately, this particular title is, yes, being used, but if you place a hold, even though it says about 8 weeks, it might be actually much shorter than that. Other than that, there are no other access points to get to this book through our own collections, only through the public library. Hope this helps, and it will help you if you're looking for something else as well. Thank you.